Hey my friend, Mahdi is here. In this video we are going to walk through installing Unity step by step. Whether you are beginner or just need a refresher, by the end of this video you will have Unity fully set up. First, open your browser and search for download Unity. Head to the official Unity website and on the download page you will see two options: a big download button and three separate links in the bottom left corner for different operating systems. If you click the download button, Unity will automatically detect your operating system and start downloading Unity Hub. Unity Hub is an essential tool that acts as a project and download manager for Unity. Once the download is complete, go to your download folder and run the Unity Hub installer. Follow the installation steps, it's pretty straightforward. After installation, open Unity Hub. At this point, you'll need to either sign in or create a new account if you don't have one. If you are creating an account, enter your email, password, unique username, and name. Complete the CAPTCHA and check the first two boxes. I personally skip the third one because Unity loves sending emails and I never read. Confirm your email by clicking the verification link Unity sends you. Once verified, sign in with your new account. After signing in, Unity will show your account details. Now go back to Unity Hub, press sign in, and allow it to open in your browser. If Unity Hub gives you trouble logging in, just retry, and it should work the second time. Once signed in, the first thing you'll see is a license agreement. By accepting it, your Unity personal license, which is free, gets activated automatically. In older Unity Hub versions, you had to do this manually, but now it's all automatic. Now let's install Unity itself. Click Install Editor inside Unity Hub. A window will open showing available Unity versions. If you don't see the version you need, click Download Archive, which takes you to a page where all Unity versions are categorized. Find your version. For example, I'm looking for version 2022.3.54. Hit Install and allow Unity Hub to open it. Before installation starts, you'll be asked to select additional components: Visual Studio and platform modules. Visual Studio, that is checked by default, is Unity's default code editor, but I personally prefer VS Code since it's lightweight and flexible. If you don't want Visual Studio, you can uncheck it. And if you are developing for Android, PC, Linux, etc., select the corresponding platform. Don't worry, you can add or remove these later. After selecting your options, start the installation and make sure you are connected to the internet through all the process. The installation process will take some time. Unity Editor and Platform Build Support will be installed first, followed by Visual Studio if selected. Here we wait for Visual Studio installer to be installed, and then it will install Visual Studio and required packages by itself. Once everything is installed, Unity is ready to go. Now let's create a test project to make sure everything is working correctly and click New Project. Select 2D or any other template you want to use. Name your project. I'll call mine Test Project. Click Create Project. Unity will take a few minutes to set everything up, so I'll fast forward here. To ensure everything is working, create a new game object, create a new script, open the script in your chosen editor, whether it's Visual Studio or VS Code. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations, you are ready to start developing in Unity. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyable. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or tutorial requests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and happy game dev.